Om Shri Sai Ram, Prashna Uttra Vahini by Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba. Chapter 2, The 14 Lokas. Question: I've heard it said that the lokas are all in the body of man. Some experienced person and some men learned in the Shastras have said so. Is that true? What are those lokas? Where are they situated? Answer: Yes, they are. Bhuloka in the feet, Bhuvarloka in the genitals, Suvarloka in the navel, Maharloka in the heart, Jnanaloka, Janaloka in the throat, the Thapoloka in the brow center, and the Satyaloka on the crest of the head. These are called the upper lokas. They are all situated in the body of man. There are lower lokas too. Question: What are the lower lokas? Where do they exist? Answer: Athalam in the soles of the feet, Vithalam on the nails, Shutalam in the heels, Thalathalam in the hip, Rasathalam in the knees, Mahathalam in the thighs, and Pathalam in the anus. Question: If all the lokas are in the body, the five elements being the components, what has happened to the Saptal Samudras, the seven legendary seas? Are they too in the body or in the mind? Answer: When the body is the residence for all the lokas, how can the seven seas alone have a separate existence? They too are in the body. Lavana or salt sea, that is urine, cane juice sea, perspiration, sura or sea of wine or senses, sarpi or sea of ghee, semen, dadi or buttermilk sea, mucus, the sea of milk, saliva, and the sea of pure water, tears. Question: You spoke of several types of Agni or fire. What are they? How are they named? Answer: They are called Pancha Agni because they are five in all. Kala Agni, the fire of time; Shuddha Agni, the fire of hunger; Sita Agni, the cold fire; Kopa Agni, the fire of anger; and Jnana Agni, the fire of knowledge. Question: Where do they reside? Answer: In the feet, the navel, the stomach, the eye, and the heart. Question: Beside these, there seem to be the varieties of nada or sound too. I have heard some talk of them. Answer: Yes, there are. Question: Are they too in the body? How many types are they and their names? Answer: There are 10 types, all in the gross body itself. Ladhi Ghosha, Bhairi Nada, Cheni Nada, Mrudanga Nada, Ghanta Nada, Kala Nada, Kinkini Nada, Venu Nada, Brahma Maranada, and finally Pranava Nada. These are the varieties of sound. Question: If all creation is subsumed in this composite of the five elements, the body, what are the Anda, Pinda Ananda, and the Brahmananda? Answer: Anda Ananda means all this creation liable to evolution and involution, the movable and immovable nature, as it is often called. Pinda Ananda is the name for the inner principle of all this duality, the seer and the seen, the doer and the deed, etc. It is the duality that produces birth after birth according to the karma of the janma. Brahmananda means the collection of Mahabhutas or the inner forces of the five elements. Atma related to the Akasha, Jivatma connected with Vayu, Pratyagatma arising out of Agni, Chaitanya Brahma associated with the Jala element, and Paramatma attached to the Dharani or earth element are all covered by that conception of Brahma Ananda. It is this force that makes the elements operate. Beyond them is the Avakta Brahma, the uncognizable absolute. Question: Swami, I do not clearly understand this rather complex subject. Please explain it to me by means of some simple illustration. Answer: well, Anda Ananda is the black retina of the eye. Pinda Ananda is the inner circle within it. Brahma Ananda is the light that shines therein. The splendor of that light is Brahma. Jai Sai Ram.
साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ